Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're brand new, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're returning, welcome back. For those of you that may not know, on my channel you can find some trash to treasures, DIYs, look for less, thrift flips, trash flips, home decor, a little bit of cooking, basically anything that has to do with the home and home decor. For today's video, I'm participating in a challenge hosted by Regal Designs by Shushuana. If you haven't checked out her channel, please make sure you check it out. She's got some amazing things on there. And then for all of July, she's doing the Christmas theme. So do check her channel out. I will have a link to her channel below. She is co-hosting with Tamara over at Love My Babies Forever. Tamara has a really cool channel. She does, your DIY stuff, trash to treasure, thrift flips, etc. She does also cool tablescapes, lots of glam and glitz type of stuff too. So check out her channel. Her channel link will be listed in my description as well. Make sure you guys check out the playlist as well because there'll be lots of cool Christmas DIYs. So for the challenge, we had to create a Dollar Tree or dollar store Christmas DIY, or really any kind of Christmas organization, DIY, anything Christmas related. So for me, I'm doing some ornaments. So I got a package of these round pieces of wood at my local dollar store. Now, our Dollar Tree here in Canada is not the best. I mean, at least here in our city. I'm sure in some of the bigger cities it's better. So I got this at the other big dollar store that we have, which is Dollarama. But that's only in Canada. So hopefully it's okay for this challenge. But anyway, this is the only piece that came from there. The rest of the stuff came from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be doing a technique that I've never done before. I'm going to be burning on some Christmas images onto these. Now I'm going to try, I don't know if this is actually going to burn, this thing here, but I've seen people like use the burners to like transfer some like images onto wood. So I'm hoping that it doesn't burn it. If it does, I saved the inside of the stencil, and then I'll just tape it on, not tape it, I'll just stick it on here, and then I will be able to just trace around it. Now, what I used to cut these with my Cricut was the shelf liner from the Dollar Tree. This is not my favorite one, but I wanted to use Dollar Tree stuff, so it cut okay. Some of my letters, because they were so fine, got a little bit mixed up, but I'm okay with that because I'll be, I'm more interested in the images, and I can always just freehand burn on that stuff. So here goes nothing. Let's give it a try. So change of plans as usual with when you're crafting. So my friend lent me the wood burning tool. It is not working. I'm not sure why. It's very hot. I tested it on my finger and burned myself. So not sure why it's not working, but I'm gonna give up on the wood burning, and I'm gonna go back to my trusty Annie Sloan wax. I'm gonna use the black wax. So I'm not using transfer tape or anything like that for these. I'm just, because they're so small, so hopefully I won't ruin the design by doing it this way. So for this last one, I will be using the transfer paper just because of, I want to keep these letters because they didn't get cut up. So I think it'll just make it a little bit easier. Okay, so now that I've weeded this, there it is, I'm going to be applying the wax on this one too. So after the wax dried, what I did was I dry brushed a little bit of white over top. Now after having done that, I think if when I do this next time, and I will do it again, I will leave it just natural. I won't do the white over top, but I dry brushed the white and then I just wiped it off with a rag just to give it that little bit of antique-y, roughed up feeling. Then I went ahead and I drilled a hole. Now, the way I drilled the hole was I just took a wood screw and I drilled through it. I didn't record myself doing this because I was afraid I might have a big flop and I didn't want to knock over my camera or something. So I drilled a screw, like a wood screw, a deck screw, into it. I just had a little one, not a too long of one. I just drilled it through and then I pulled it out and it just gave me that hole that I wanted without compromising the little pieces of wood. So I wanted to show you in this video that even though sometimes you have plans of how stuff is going to go, it doesn't always turn out the way you wanted it to. So, and you have to improvise. So if you liked what you saw today, give me that big thumbs up. Check out the videos I recommended here, especially the Christmas themed ones. I did do a Christmas home tour. So if you want to check that out, it'll be linked at the end here. Make sure you check out the playlist and the two hosts of this challenge, and have yourself an excellent day. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Have an excellent day. Stay safe.